Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete your Twitter account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Twitter account, and once you open Twitter, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right, on the top left, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on your account, and here you can see the last option, deactivate account. Click on that option, and here you can see that you are about to start the processing of deactivating your Twitter account. Your display name and public profile will no longer be visible on Twitter, and then you need to click on deactivate, and then you need to put your password here. And once you put your password, you simply need to click on the icon, that is the option that is showing in the right bottom corner, that is deactivate. Click on that option, and once you click on that, your Twitter account will be deleted. But if you want to retrieve, you have 30 days to retrieve. So this is a process by which you can delete your Twitter account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.